Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 II and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode and the volume keys are here. So for now I'm going to try to use them and see what they done. And as you can see, for now I can take a picture by using these two buttons here. To change its function we have to go to more advanced options, and we can do it by using this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to the camera settings, and from here let's slide down a little to the common settings, and as you can see here we have the use volume key as option. So by tapping on this we can pick from zoom, volume and shutter. So for now it was shutter, I'm going to change it to the zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the camera view and let me try to use these buttons again. And as you can see, for now I can zoom easily by using these buttons here and get really close to my subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.